Students will be studying about project management today. Let us see what is a project first. A project is an effort made to deliver a unique product or service. It involves a standard, definite start and end point. That means there will be a beginning of a project and it will be an end of project. A project should commence, and once it is completed, it means the project is ready to deliver to the user or customer. The goal of any project is significant and is monitored by the project manager and concluded upon achieving the goal. Once the goal is achieved, the project is said to have completed. So project management basically involves planning, monitoring, and controlling of people, processes, and events that occur as software evolves from preliminary concept phase to an implementation phase. All the stages are covered in the project management, but how to manage the project is the important question, and what all things have to be managed during the project development lifecycle. A standard checklist has been prepared for project management, which says that a concept of project management includes directing and managing the project work. All the work which is to be done during the project development or the software development has to be directed and managed properly. Also, the knowledge has to be managed regarding the several aspects of the software. Maintaining and monitoring the quality is an important factor, because without having a proper quality, the project is not worth sale. Acquiring of resources and utilizing it properly is an important part of project management. It also is concerned with developing and managing the team. Managing communication is also an essential part of project management, as the idea of correct delivery of project will be conquered only when there is a clear communication between the stakeholders. It deals with risk, identifying of the risk, mitigating and monitoring of the risk, and responding to them. Conduction of procurement is an essential element. After that, managing of the stakeholder is also an important part, because stakeholders have a different perspective regarding the objectives of the project. So all these give us a clear idea about how project can be managed in order to achieve its goal. That is about the introductory part of project management. Thank you.